Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Omeezy, and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make money part-time doing Amazon Prime as a shopper at Whole Foods. So as you guys come with me, this beautiful morning, it's currently 5:45, I believe, and I'm about to take the bus to my 6 a.m. shift in downtown Chicago, Whole Foods. So it's my little ride. Now I'm waiting for the bus to come. So I just arrived at my Whole Foods. You can see it right there. We're right here in Kingsbury. And yeah, so I'm gonna walk in. I have to show my ID to get in because they won't allow you to enter the building without an Amazon ID before the store opens, which is at 7, and it's currently 6 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff when I get inside. First enter, so come up these stairs right here. And then you're gonna clock in, and up here is where you clock in and you do a little temperature check before you can start working. And then I'm gonna show you guys the other side of the building. Yeah, we gotta go after this. And they also give you an extra mask if you don't already have one. So I just got an extra mask. Let me show y'all. This is what you clock in. Take your ID. Tap it like this. And now I'm clocked in, and I can start working. And first things first, you gotta take your headphones out. Yeah.
So right up these stairs is where you gotta get the phone so you can begin to start working on your activities and things. So you're gonna get your phone, sign in, and then you're going to use a little scanning ticket so that you may scan into which store you're working at. So this is the QR code that you're gonna scan to begin working. And right here, you're gonna just accept an assignment and begin working. Okay, so right here is another staging area. This is sort of what upstairs looks like. So you're gonna get a couple of these bags. You also are gonna get some produce bags so that you can put fruits and vegetables inside. However, they don't have the insulation cooling bags at the moment. So right now we're just gonna continue to use those brown bags. So after I finish collecting all my produce items, I'm just going to take them over to the weighing scale. And so here you're going to be sure to take off 0.1 for the weight of the bag. So as you saw there is 1.38, and then the phone I'm going to enter 1.37, just to make sure that that bag isn't weighed and the customer isn't charged extra for that. So here you're going to be seeing me use a different method of entering the items in the cart. So here I'm going to be scanning these items, and with the produce items, I had to actually click pack without scanning because they don't actually have QR codes. So I'm just going to scan that. You see me struggling here, so don't trip. I'll get together. Alright, so here's an item that I couldn't find. So with that, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And there you see. And then you scroll all the way to the bottom. Click that. Then click item not found. They're going to tell you ask an employee. But employee's just going to give you a QR code to scan. And with that, they'll give you some substitute suggestions. And so you click on that and put it in the bag and wait for the customer to accept it. Okay, so here you'll see I finished my shopping. And I'm going to click next, and so you'll see a 3-minute timer, just giving the customer a little time to accept the substitutions. After the timer is up, it's going to automatically accept it if there's no response. And so I'm going to continue on. I'm going to enter the amount of bags that I have packed up, enter that into this little machine here, which is going to print out me some sticky notes, just so that I could attach those to the bags to make sure that the items are being tampered with. And I'm going to close that up and enter in some QR codes there so we can continue staging. Up here, I'm taking these upstairs to the staging area. You'll see they have rooms for ambient items. Those are coolers over there for chilled items, and they have a section for frozen items as well. So to stage the items, which is really just storing the items, you're gonna take this and you're gonna scan the QR code that's on the shelf, and then you're gonna scan the bag and put the bag onto the shelf, and that's how you stage the items. Here I'm just finishing up staging this last frozen item. After this, I'm going to click accept, and then I'm going to be sent on to my next order, and you'll just continue this until you're finished shopping. So I hope you guys like this. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.